Good afternoon, dear tourists. This is JB from Tour Venture, and I am your tour guide for today's video here in Marikina at Riverbank Center. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. Before anything else, our safety is the one of our priority. So that I want you to find a partner. If you find your partner, you have a responsibility to each other to this entire tour so that no one will left behind in every destination. And second, I want you to be familiarized to what action that I do. If I whistle once like this, meaning you are free to roam to the entire destination. If I whistle twice and wave this flag like this, meaning we need to go back to the bus and prepare for the next destination. And if I wave this flag like this, meaning that I will give some facts or trivia about the destination that we are traveling. Our last reminder is we will travel with no trash. So every trash we'll put into the trash can or simply put into your pocket so that we can maintain the cleanliness of the destination. I can see to the faces of all of you that you are excited. So let's begin our travel right now. The Riverbank Center was opened way back in 1999. It's 25 years ago. This riverbank serves as a recreational activity for the Mariqueños. They can do such as jogging, running, or biking. And right here, the amphitheater serves as the venue for every celebration, just like what happened in April this year. The celebration of 25th anniversary of Riverbanks was held here and have a concert. It also serves as a picnic station for every family or friends that want to enjoy the view of the Marikina River. Aside from that, the Riverbank Center is nearby the SM Marikina over there. Aside from this theater, there is a lot of establishment and accommodation in this area. Just like the store there, where you can buy some clothes or anything that you need. And aside from that, there has a lot of restaurant over there where you can enjoy and have fun with drinks and can sing in a video, okay? And if you're traveling with your children, there's a lot of accommodation for them, just like here and over there. It is perfect for all, not only for the children, but also for the bundle of friends or of the whole family. If you feel hungry while traveling, there is a lot of food park here. You can buy every variant of food that you want that will fill your stomach. While traveling, we also need to not only our eyes will full to the beautiful view and also our tummy will full because of the delicious food. This is what I told to you earlier, the Riverbanks Market Center, where you can buy some clothes or anything necessity that you want or need. You can buy them product in a bargain price. And there's a lot of things that you can buy for yourself or for your family and for your friends. Facts about Marikina. Did you know that the Marikina is also known as the shoe capital of the Philippines? And the first zapateros or shoemaker here in Marikina is Kapitan Moy. Although the riverbanks is open every day, but the best time or best day for you to go here in Riverbank Center is every December. Because every December, there's a lot of accommodation here that they build. Just like over there, in the back of the Riverbank Center sign, there is an amusement park there. And every December, these riverbanks become colorful because of the lights of the Christmas lights that they build as a decoration here in Riverbank Center in Marikina as the preparation for the Christmas. And before the January, the year-end celebration here was held in Riverbank Center. There is a fireworks display here in amphitheater. Let's pack your things, tourists, and go back to the bus, and we will go home. Before we go home, I want you to ask a question, tourist. Did you enjoy the tour, tourist? The smile in everyone's faces tells me the answer. I hope to see you again. It's a wonderful and fantastic day for me to be your tour guide for this tour here in Marikina at Riverbank Center. Once again, this is your tour guide JB. On behalf of Tour Venture, we wish you a safety trip.